Lately, we've got a couple questions about dual color printing, and it's probably because we've been talking about the Sovol SV02 in our live stream. So the question is basically, why dual color printing in the first place? Why not just sand down your print and tape it off and use a couple different colors of paint? Well, we took that as a challenge. So what we did is we figured out a proof of concept so we could say, you know what, here's a different way to look at that. So we went to Thingiverse, of course, and found a model of this Charmander, cute little guy. And what we did is we figured, let's show something other than just color that we're going to do with multiple different PLAs. So if we look at the side here, you can see that his tail, the fire part of his tail here is different. And then right now it's brown. This is actually a thermochromatic PLA. What that means is it changes color with the temperature that it's in. So right now in room temperature, it's kind of this brownish color. But as it gets hotter, it turns to a red and then an orange and then a yellow. So kind of cool. It's fire colors. We thought it'd be very appropriate for the fire tip of his tail. So if you hang around to the very end, we'll show a couple of photos I've taken of him in his various different stages of being hot. So we did this because we really wanted to encourage people to think outside the box a little bit on here and get creative, because we feel that you'd be missing out on some of that creativity if all you thought about was like, how do I paint my models in different colors? So I think the dual color printers really open up a new world of possibilities. Think about maybe mixing solids with transparent colors and of course special effect kind of things like the thermochromatic or the glow in the dark, that kind of thing. So we'll put a link to this actual PLA that we found on Amazon down in the description down below. And so it turned out pretty well, and we hope it inspires you. So please put some comments down below, and if it did inspire you a little bit to think outside the box. And we'll see you next time on the next 3D Thursday. Take care.